Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to properly park your manual transmission vehicle. This is my 2001 Jeep TJ. So we're just going to show you how to properly, or at least how I anyway, park the Jeep. Alright, so the idea is turn your Jeep off. What I like to do is, obviously I would be in gear, pull the e-brake up, and then what I like to do, push the clutch in and then let your foot off the brake, and you let the e-brake hold the Jeep, and then once you're done with that, then let the clutch out, make sure it's in first gear. You never want to have your car being held by just the transmission. Just put some unnecessary strain on everything. So idea is e-brake up, clutch in, foot off the brake, make sure you're being held. Then once you know you're being held, go into gear, let the clutch out. That's kind of a simple way that I like to do it. That way you're saving this, and then if the e-brake would ever fail, you have a fail-safe of the transmission, so that way your Jeep's not going to roll away. So anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing, that helps me out a lot guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.